Welcome to my craft corner. So this is going to be a video on how I clean out my Singer Confidence sewing machine. I think I've only done this maybe 2 times in the past. So I've already started undoing the screws because sometimes those can be pretty tight. I am just going to remove the foot. I've already removed the needle and remove the plate. So I'm just gonna get started. Okay. Okay, I may have to move the camera, but this seems to work for now. So here in the back, I'm just going to remove the foot and loosen the screw on this side to release the there. And okay, and just take these screws out, which sometimes it's a little bit tricky, but there we go. Alright, so now the plate can be removed, and it is quite dirty. So I have heard that you shouldn't use canned air. I used to do that on my other machine. I don't believe that it actually had any problems doing that. I'm also going to take this out. And while I'm doing that, I'm trying to keep them in about the same position as when I take them out. So when I put them back in, they're pretty much the same. So I'm not really seeing. Okay, now I do. Yeah, there's lots of fuzz there. I don't have a brush, so I'm just going to take these needle nose pliers and sort of just carefully take out these little bits of fuzz, or I should say these chunks, because there's quite a few here. And turn the wheel. And that's probably why I was getting jammed up in here, just from that little bit of fuzz. Okay. Yeah, I'll have to get little brushes or maybe pipe cleaners to see if I can get into these little holes. But for now, at least I'll get the bulk of it out of here. Okay, so everything feels good. Nothing feels like it's binding. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a little drop of oil in this moving part here and just keep spinning. That feels pretty good. Okay, and I'm just looking for other areas where it would make sense to add a drop of oil. So, okay, so I'm going to turn the light back on. Alright, and I am just going to put the wheel back about where it was. Okay. There we go. That feels... There. Now that has fallen into place. It feels good. I just want to make sure. Okay. All right. So now it's just a matter of putting everything back in its place. All right. Putting the faceplate back on. And the screws. And probably once I get some pipe cleaners or something, we'll do a deeper clean on this. But this should at least keep it from jamming up. And yeah, these new screwdrivers aren't exactly the best for getting these screws back in, unfortunately. So you have to sort of get it just at the right angle, which I find funny because it's a Singer sewing machine and these are Singer screwdrivers. So I really thought I was going to be safe buying these, but alright, so let's just put this back. Alright, for these side ones it works great. And presser foot right there. Alright. And the needle. Alright. Alright, that feels pretty good. And I'm just turning the wheel to make sure nothing is binding. It's good. Alright, so I should be ready to go again. So hopefully that means we will see more of that quilt. Okay, slide that back on. Looks good. Please like and subscribe. I promise the next time I do this, I will do a better job. I will see you on the next one. Bye.